Three-letter words start with C. CAB, cab. CAM, cam. CAN, can. CAP, cap. CAR, car. CAT, cat. CAW, cow. CAY, K. CEP, sep. CHI, chi. COB, cob. COD, cod. COL, coal. CON, cone. COG, cog. COR, core. COS, cos. COT, cot. COW, cow. COX, cox. COY, koi. CRU, crew. CRY, cry. CUB, cub. CUE, cue. CUP, cub. CUR, cur. CUT, cut. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.